what does it take to truly master Amazon PPC? When it comes down to mastery, I think there was one question that was asking, how do I troubleshoot? More and more I'm zooming out and understanding what mastery takes, because I'm seeing this Amazon ads expert and so on. And don't get me wrong, it can be that many people are experts within their field, but right now the word expert, it became washed off, or how would you call it? But everyone is using it. And just because you've been studying for the past month or for the past 3 months or even for the past year Amazon ads, that does not make you an expert. What makes you an expert is quickly you can troubleshoot right away what is going on within an account, and if it's not performing the way how it should, what triggered that. So the way how I like to define mastering Amazon ads is quickly troubleshoot what is going on and be able to fix it right away, and at least have 2-3 ideas to what to improve next. That does makes you an expert. That does help you to truly master Amazon ads. If you are, hey, I learned these tricks and tips and I'm going to apply to this account and it's going to work perfectly, that's great. That's also how I started, but that does not makes you a master or an expert to it. I just wanted to highlight that because most of the time what I'm seeing, especially in our niche, now that it became so highly competitive, is that everyone's going to call themselves experts. And again, I'm not saying that they might not know Amazon ads. What's happening is that they are calling themselves experts, yet they did not have the time to put in the reps. Think of it this way. More that you know, more you realize what you don't know, right? And then more that you are learning, quicker you notice patterns. So when it comes down to Amazon ads or mastery or expertise in this sense, it's going to be how quickly are you able to recognize that pattern and also come with a strategy to solve whatever issue or troubleshoot whatever is going on in an account.